Harmony is a complete animation software allowing you to create all kinds of creative animation projects. It comes with a very wide variety of tools and features. In this Getting Started guide, you will learn the basics of how to use the main features in Harmony Premium, which will quickly bring you up to speed. I am Praveen and I will teach you basic to advanced level in Harmony Premium. As soon as you launch Harmony, you are greeted with a welcome screen from which you can create a scene, choose your new scene's resolution, manage your scene's resolution presets, quickly open recently opened scenes, browse for and open a scene you already created, watch Harmony video tutorials on the web, access the support web page. Point to be noted: if you are using Harmony server, you must use the Control Center application to create your scenes before you can open them in Harmony. Harmony server scenes cannot be created directly in Harmony. You can also disable the welcome screen and make Harmony launch right to the main application window by unchecking the Do Not Show This Window at Startup option at the bottom. You can return to the welcome screen from the main application window by selecting Help and then Show Welcome Screen in the top menu. If you disable the welcome screen, you can re-enable it again by returning to the welcome screen and unchecking the Do Not Show This Window at Startup option. In the name field, type the scene's name, whatever you want. In my case, I will write down Vampire. The scene name should not exist 23 character and cannot contain special characters. To decide in which directory the scene will be created, click the Browse button next to the location field. In my case, I will choose the default location. From the camera size menu, select a scene resolution. In my case, I will select the default resolution and then click on Create Scene. A new scene is created. The main application window will appear with your new scene opened in it. Head back to the welcome screen by going to the Help tab and then click on Show Welcome Screen. Now we are in the welcome screen. Here I will give you the complete demonstration of the welcome screen. In the name field, we can name our scene. In the location, you can choose your path to save your new scene. From the camera size menu, you can select your scene resolution and head toward the right side from the camera size menu. Click on plus symbol. Here you can create custom scene resolution presets. If you ever want to watch online tutorial about learning Harmony Premium, then check on Watch Video Tutorials. It will open web page. And if you want help regarding application crash, bugs, error, then click on Get Help. Now let's move on to Open a Scene section. Here you can see all your recent projects. And if you want to open any of your projects, then click on Open button. I have briefly explained you everything that you can do in Harmony welcome screen. Let's meet on the next Harmony tutorial. In the next Harmony tutorial, we will going to learn Harmony user interface. For now, goodbye.